Hello, welcome you all. So today we are just going to discuss about the one questions, and that question is very important. I hope that everybody is familiar with this question also, but we are going to check out that molecular shape and the structures. In between that, we are just finding that which bond is higher than which bond. So that is the which of the following statement. Here the question number 14. Which of the following statements is correct? Right. So here is that Sc2Cl2. So whenever we are going to see the structures of the Sc2Cl2, so here that S, okay, so S, but our thing is that whenever we are talking about the SCl and Cl, here is that O, here is double bond O. So in this figure, we are going to see about that it is the which type of that bond. Here is the Q2, here is theta 1, theta 2, theta 1, theta 2, and this one is the theta 3. We are having this structure. On the basis of that structures, we have to identify that what is the option given. So option given, A option. Whenever I talk about the A option, so A option is here. It contains A option. It contains PK and PK DK. So this is the first option. Second option, it has tetrahedral geometry. It has tetrahedral geometry, right? And third one, C is theta 1 is greater than theta 3. And D is the option, the plane which contains right, maximum number of atom 4, right? So in this question it is given. So according to that rules, whenever we are talking about that which type of the hybridization, so that is here, that is sp2 hybridization. But here is that second thing, what type of that it is structures? It is definitely the rectangular tetrahedral structure. But our question is here, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, which one is having the which type of the force? So repulsion between the two double bond. Here is that one double bond and two double bond. So in between that, repulsion between the two double bond is higher than the double bonds and the single bond. So hence the correct answers will be C. That is theta 1 and theta 3. So theta 1 and theta 3 will be the correct answers. Why? Because the repulsion between the two double bonds is higher than the double bonds and single bonds. So double bond and single bonds. Here if I am talking about the single bond and here I am talking about single bond. So theta 1 is always greater than theta. Sulfur is a tetrahedral. So in the Sc2Cl2 and the oxidation states will be the 6, not the 4. So according to that, this it has the tetrahedral already the properties. It has contents no. So the final answers will be C. So here students, I hope that you have understood. Welcome you all. We are just going to be discuss about the next question, that question number 29. Question number 29. In this question, students, what is written? Give the correct order of the initial true. So give the correct order of initial true for that T, and for false you give the F. Here students are given that as the 4 different type of that options. So true for following statements. So very first statement, students, I am going to give you that number of electron having. So number of electron having L is equal to, that is 10 is L is equal to 010 in palladium. So whenever we talk about the palladium is having that electronic configuration, and let's we will discuss into it. And second, the value of ZeFF, right, for 3 electron. How much? 3 electron, or either 3d electron of chromium and 3d electron of manganese is same as number of electron in the subcell of chromium and manganese, right, are the same. And third option, if I am going to write the third option, so that is A, first option, second option, and third option. And whenever we talk about the multiplicity of iron, is equal to the nickel. And the fourth option, that is here. Fourth option we are just talking about. Whenever the fourth option, the value of L by M, the value of L by M. So L by M for last electron of element having atomic number 57 is 0.4. So this is the option is given. So first is number of the electrons having the L is equal to 0 is 10 in the palladium, and the value of Z for this. So according to that, this fourth statement, it is just asking give the correct order of this true and false for the following. So whenever we are talking about this, so it will go the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, right? 2p6 and 3s2, and 3p6, right? 3p6 and 4s2 and 3d10, right? 4p6, 5s0, and then 4d10. So this is the correct one, means that is a true, this is the true. According to the Salter's law is having the different parts, so here is the answers of this question will be the first, and the value of the Z for this, so here is the Salter rule, so that we are just going to tell about that. So this is the false. So if Salter rules are that Z for the 3D electrons in the chromium and 3d electrons of the manganese the same as the number of electron in this. That is correct. This is also the true. And subcell of the chromiums and manganese are the same multiplicity of iron is equal to the nickel. That is also true. And here the value of the L by M for the last electrons of the elements having the atomic number 57 is a 0.4. So students, this is also true. It means that if I am just going to see that a correct option of this, so that is true, true, true and true. So when we will match with this, what is the option given for this 4? So for this 4 is given. Let us check that. According to the question, it is given that option, the first A is given true, 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 true. B is given true, false, false, true, true, true. C is given true, false, true, false. And D is given, so D is false, 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 false and true. So according to that rules, whatever we have seen that A is the correct answers. So thank you so much. I think you have understood about this question. So welcome you all. We are just going to discuss about the question number 32. I hope that this question is very easy for you and you are able to understand. The correct set of quantum number. The correct set of the quantum number for the last electron of sodium is. It means that it is asking about the last electrons, what is the position and where it will be the set. So here is the option is given in the A option, that is 3, 0, 0, minus 1 by 2. If I talk about the B, 3, 1, 0, plus half. And C, if I am talking about the C, so 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1 and half, and the D option will be 2, 1, 0 and half. Let's start solving. What is the electronic configuration of it, that whenever we talk about the sodium, so the first it goes into the 1s2, it means that here will be the 2 electrons. Electrons means that 1 and 1. So this will be the 2. 2s2 means that here also that 2s2 and 2p6, 2p6. In the sense here 2, 6, right? And the last one electron, it goes into the 2p. So 2p is here, 2p. So final set we are getting here, that is what? 2, 1, 0 and then minus 1 by 2. So this is a final answers, that is the D. So I hope that set of quantum for the last electron will be in the 2, 1 and 0, and that is minus 1. So the correct option, so for this the correct answer is D. I hope that students you have understood this question.